from College of Design as well, representing City of Regional Planning and Architecture as well. I hope you enjoyed the downstairs exhibition about Jeonju King's royal progressions. That interactive media zone was made by one of our faculty members, Kyoto Mei. And then 4 students worked 2 weeks to giving a welcome exhibition to you, special guests, because we want to bring our history and treasure and how sophisticated, how elegant our history and art piece to be presented in Georgia. So we want to pursue more interactive progressions with this storytelling. So hope you come back and see our exhibitions. So let's move forward. The topic of mobility actually encompasses a variety of perspectives, including social, economic, technological, environmental, and a variety of environmental and urban planning viewpoints. Here we are, there are some of the leading theories and framework that shape our understanding of mobility of future development. I forgot to wear my eyeglasses. Okay. Smart, so there are some important frameworks: smart mobility and sustainable mobility, and mobility as a service, and accessibility, and behavioral theory of mobility, and urban mobility planning, and more. So including additional frameworks, these diverse perspectives contribute to a holistic understanding of mobility and its implications for future development. Those top 5 frameworks are directly related to industrial design. The fundamentals of industrial design thinking, processes, and methods are human-centered design, health and well-being, accessibilities, inclusivity, interactivity, sustainability and safety, service design, and strategy design. I will present a few projects on how we have developed mobile design. Bike design has been one of the classic design themes of human-centered and sustainable design. Our students have designed electric bikes for the unique needs of campus policemen, the urban delivery service personnel, and city park management team, etc. So we are keep building this project. And human-machine interface transportation lab has developed and evolved an augmented reality navigation solution for e-bike using interactive eyeglasses. And we have the same lab led by Professor Wayne Lee has developed the 4th and 5th generation of UX and user interface design for Hyundai automotive vehicle design. This is one of the most advanced. And the team also created a physical simulator that actually simulates how the automotive environment can be tested by the user, and that has been presented continuously. A senior student can design a short-power electronic aircraft and a cabin design all together, and he received the 2022 Crystal Cabin Award, a renowned international design competition in aviation. Our growing interest in smart, sustainable mobility and the segmented market and innovation can be aligned with the automotive and aviation industry in the state of Georgia and the Southeast, as you mentioned. We are very proud of Hyundai and here, and also aerospace products are Georgia's #1 export. It is quite amazing how many aviation industries are in the state of Georgia. So all of the leading corporations, Gulfstream, Airbus, and Delta Airlines, and Hyundai have focused on decarbonization and sustainability. Airbus America Sesame Initiative is an excellent example. Sesame aims to build a long-term partnership across the aviation industry to drive innovation in sustainability, efficiency, and safety, enhancing passenger experience, airline operations, airport facilities, and aircraft design. Airbus America and Europe made a team together, have built a collaborative team with the Georgia Tech Industrial Design and Aerospace Engineering, TUDET Industrial Design Engineering, and Aerospace Engineering program. So what we draw is in the middle of Airbus, in Atlanta side, we have a Delta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, Georgia Tech. The Amsterdam side, we have a KLM, Schiphol Airport, and Hewlett, studying about the modern solutions for aircraft interiors. Why interiors? Airbus doesn't need to consider interior design because that is not their job. But all the function of airline service actually make the Airbus perform best. So all the work we done in interior design actually transform the way they design the exterior at the same time. So what we does was in both university and partner with the Delta and KLM, we focused on three group of people, passengers with a diverse group of carrying unit, and cabin crew team and ground crew team, and they are all providing food, entertainment, a lot of service for long haul and short haul driving, the aviation. But not only those internal aircraft issues, but it is all about travel, not just aviation experience. So from home to hotel, all the journey, including mobile service from public transportation and cars, etc. It is all about entire mobility experience. So for the past 2 years, I've been working with the TUDELT and KLM team. On left side is the KLM and TUDELT project. Left side is our Georgia Tech project. And last semester, we had a sustainable aircraft cleaning revolution project and also catering and service. That is waste management is a huge, energy saving is a huge, and then the important thing is international and interdisciplinary collaborations. We have students coming from TUDELT, 2 camp, and 2 from Georgia Tech. They are specially invited to go in depth of the airport. I couldn't even go in depth that way. They are invited to look at how food and catering and operations can be provided by the airport. Having that in-depth information and survey with lots of cabin, one team designed the smart track dispatch system. It was originated to clean the interior space because if the cleaning the interior takes longer, the turnaround time will be increased. So people start waiting in the terminal. That is a huge sustainable issues. So we have 8 important problems, but at the end, the team decided to focus more on the central communication issue because that's the #1 issue. So cabin team should communicate with the dispatcher team, and that goes to cabin cleaning team. So those communication is the way of fast, the way of turnaround time. So that is the one we designed the UX system to integrate the UX the information data within that cabin team. The second one is the laboratory design, which is always the most difficult and challenging one. But there are lots of old aircraft, which is very ugly and very sticky to get so we tried having a modular system to retrofit, redesign the old aircraft, self-cleaning and material-wise. So many new great ideas has been implemented. So after presenting this one, the Delta flight product team and sustainable team want to actually go further to design this modular system to upgrade to have a better service of the laboratory system. Having that relationship, we found that this is very useful to having database sharing together and learning about different airports, their way of operation, which are different our Atlanta. So we try to integrate more. So TUDELT team and I will go to Incheon Airport in June and try to get to know more about how Incheon operates, how cultural diversity can enhance our sustainable mobility project. So at the end, Airbus Destiny is a really great opportunity for us to learn and build interdisciplinary and collaboration. But at the end, it is not just the future of mobility, it is more about future of travel. And we want to make a healthy, accessible, convenient, and sustainable alternative to bus. They can be car, they can be bike, they can be airplane, whatever they can be. But everything can be done only boundaries collaborations, nationally, internationally, which is very important. That's my show.